In this video, I'm going to self-host and test CogView4 in a local server with a 6000 GPU. As you know, CogView4 is a text to image generation model. So the latest version is 25.0 March 4th version. So according to its website, so this version of CogView4 with only 6 billion parameters has achieved quite a competitive performance compared to several well-known text-to-image generation model. So it has been officially open sourced to GitHub, and also you can download the model from Hugging Face. So there are two highlights of this model. The first one is the enhanced Chinese and English text generation capability. That means the model can understand the Chinese and English input as well as output the Chinese and English text in the image. So the second capability is the generating images in multiple resolution. So this really allows us to process the image, generate image in different aspect ratio. So this is the CogView4 GitHub repository. So according to the GitHub, so this model, the COG3, has been released in September last year, and the latest version is the March 4th this year, just a week before. So these are the model metrics. So they tested on different metrics. I think this is the dense prompt graph benchmark, the gen eval text to image comp bench. So this is the usage of how you can use the CogView4. So they have integrated the CogView4 pipeline into the diffuser. This is it's a Hugging Face website, and here we can have a quick start of this model. So following this instruction, we can first install the diffusers. So after that, I think everything is quite straightforward. So I have installed this in my local machine, and I'm not going to show it here. And I have tested it in a Jupyter notebook, and it has successfully tested. Yeah. I convert this code to the Streamlit application, so that it is easy for me to visualize the image, change the test different prompt, and test different hyperparameters. So I have attached this code in my GitHub repository. You can access it by clicking on the AI engineering memo, and the AI and CogView4. So this is the code for this front end. So to run this code, you only need to input the Streamlit run CogView. I think here's the CogView4 server address localhost, and now you can copy paste this URL to your browser. Here I'm going to refresh this browser. So that I have a brand new browser, so with the default prompt and the default guidance scale. So to save time, I just set the inference step to 10, but you can basically you can jog to change it. So we can set the number of the image. Let's test to 1 to 4, because the batch size is can be up to 4. So here I also attached some prompt examples. So let's first test the just generate one image or two image and uses a basic prompt, the default prompt. So let's take a look at the image. I think even if we generate with just 10 inference step, the quality is still very high. So in this test, I'm going to test the bilingual capability of CogView model. So I'm going to let it to generate a Chinese noodle image. So let's do the test. Let's input this prompt and let's generate. You see that even if you ask the model to generate this Chinese noodle sign, I think it still not generate this letters quite correct in this way. So so if let's test if we increase the inference steps to 50, so will it increase the quality? So I'm going to generate 4 images at the same time. Okay, so this is quite like the Japanese characters, and this did not say the Zhang noodles shop. This did say the Zhang noodle shop, but it's not Zhang noodle shop, Zhang's noodle shop, and this is I think is not even the correct letters in any language. So but it says the Jiang noodle slop. Okay, this is quite fun. But I mean, I like the image of the bowl, noodles, eggs, and beef, onions. So I think this part the model did a good job. So I'm going to change the Zhang's noodle shop to the Chinese 张家面馆. And I'm going to generate it again. I'm going to change this to 1, so in order to speed the generation. So because usually generate 4 images takes 4 minutes, so I'm going to generate 1 image in this test to see that if the model can get the shop sign correct. You see, even if I have changed it to explicitly ask the model to change the sign to these Chinese characters, so it's still doing this character wrong in the image. In this test, I'm going to test the English words capability of the image generator. So we're going to ask the model to have a New York hustle sign on the sign of the Times Square. So let's generate. Okay, so it has finished. So we can see that a group of 5 young people, they are dancing in the Times Square. So here are the signs. So here specifically I want to see if the model paint the right sign, right words on the sign. So you see the first image, it pastes the New York hustle. I think this is right. This one did not do the right job. this one the same. So yeah, this one you see that I mean New York hustle. So they did not do good job too. And for this one, I think the finger has and this finger has a problem in the generation. This test, I'm going to change this inference step still to 10, but I mean I'm going to test a different aspect ratio. So let's copy paste one of this prompt and generate the image. So this usually takes 20 seconds. Okay. I think the hand is not good. Okay, so let's generate white screen one, 16:9. Let's change this prompt. We will change the inference step to 20. Since this size is smaller than the the 1:1 aspect ratio, so it generates very fast. Okay, so let's change this to the portrait. Yeah, this is the for the phone, the portrait. So that's it for today's test for CogView4. So we have tested different prompt, tested aspect ratio, the inference steps, different number of the images, and we find that it is still generates high quality. It can generate high quality images, but I mean in terms of the words and characters in the image, it cannot really do a good job. So also I also find that for it also has problem with the details, like small logos, small the fingers. It might have distorted fingers. So I think there are still a lot of space to improve for CogView4. So that's it for today's test. I'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.